up, guys? Welcome back to my video. And today we're gonna do another Jayhawks video, and we're gonna go pick up a rusted Mack truck. So let's see, just let me get my helmet right here and go out here. It's getting our GMC. And just head off to the company over there. Oh yeah, and by the way, I bought a new truck. It's gonna be the Peterbilt 359. So now let me just park right here. See, I can park in first person. Okay, see that part crooked? I ain't even make it all the way. I might just park like this. Let me see how far I'm supposed to park. So you gotta be up this close. Got it. Now it's just getting our Peterbilt 359. And let's head off to the site. And I know where it is. It's gonna be in the woods, right beside us. So let me just turn my blinker on. Go down here. Right down here. We're gonna paint it, and we're gonna paint the truck first, and then weld it. If you see any more rustings, some more rust, then we're gonna weld it. But let's not just go down here. Whoa. My lights on, wait, hold up. Light bar on. Yeah, I can't see. I'm trying to become perfect down this dirt road. So I need to get these grass pebbles out of here. Now let's see. I think, yeah, the problem told me is down here. I'm trying down here. Yeah, I think it's right there. Now we're gonna make a U-turn to make this turn. Make a U-turn. There we go. Man, I should have got a strap. Man, I should have got a strap. Good, let me see. So, alright, one right there. After I put these ones down, I'm gonna go get a strap and go get the truck and get the thing. So I'll be back to get the strap and I'll take that thing out. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, I just got the straps and put it up here. Now we got to go back to the trucking company and then put it into the shop and customize it and get the rust off of it. So just drive out of here. Just go over here. It's an oversized load. Well, to me, it's almost like an oversized load, but it's a little load. The oversized ones like get out, like not the size of the trailer. Alright, let's go down here. We gotta keep put this truck into work. But I feel like I thank you guys for Jayhawks for the first video for 2,200K views on that. Thank you. Oh yeah, by the way, the lawn thingy is coming. It's coming tomorrow on Sunday. Probably gonna be every Sunday. So, or Monday. I'm gonna do it every Monday. I don't really know, but I feel it's gonna pop out at random times. But look at here, we made it. So I'm gonna just open this door. I'll just drive in here. No, I don't want to. Ooh. There we go. Now let's just put this door down. I'm gonna put these ramps somewhere else. There we go. Now let me just get this thing. Remove. Now right here. Done. Engine started. I'm gonna put this right there. And where's the stinker? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Stuck in it. There we go. Oh. Okay, now let's just weld this up. Now let's keep on working this thing out. I'm gonna see you guys when I get done with this Mack. So, yeah, I'm gonna be back. Okay, guys, I finished it. I finished with the rust and stuff, but I painted it. It's kind of like purple bluish color. And I even made I even cleaned the rims on there. But yeah, if y'all want to come over here and get your truck painted or get the rust off or wash it, yeah, just come to this place in American Plains Mudding. So yeah, this will be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. But first, let's test drive it. So let me just move this out the way. There we go. There we go. We'll get the ramps over here. There we go. Let me just do this. That. Now, go in here. Now let's just go down here. Okay, I'm gonna drive it around the place. Oh yeah. Oh, I even put turbo on this, so I'm gonna go very slow. I'm gonna go down here. Oh man, this thing drives pretty good because I put some new tires on it. It's a new comfort. I love the inside too. Alright, we done test driving it. Now let's just drive back up to it. Ooh. Stop at a red light. I mean, stop sign. I don't know why I said red light, but stop right here. Oh yeah, I forgot it has no license plate. We need, man, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let this guy pick this truck up. So we might park it right here. There we go. And now this will be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.